Good morning. I am Dr. Suresh Chand. Today in this video I will discuss the calculation of migration percentage using a smartphone app. Migration percentage is used for expression of hip displacement in the care of cerebral palsy. It is the amount of femoral head which is outside the lateral margin of the acetabular margin. So classically it is calculated by using the scales and measuring it actually, and it takes time, and it is sometimes the devices or the instruments are not available within our reach in a busy clinic. With these available smartphones and apps, these are very handy things. So let's calculate this with the hip screen app, which is an app developed by Shriners Hospital from USA. So let's see how we do it. So we go into hip screen app. There are multiple uses of this app. So we'll use the migration percentage ruler. So this window comes, we can directly click on the camera tab and we can click the photo, or we can import the photo from library. This app doesn't store any of the photo and the data is not stored, so there is no issue of privacy. So let's see if we take this X-ray. The one thing we have to keep in mind is that the X-ray should be standardized. The pelvis should be squared as much as possible. The limb should be in neutral position with patella facing forwards, and there is a tab of rotate. So we check the rotation of pelvis. So we can use the tibial tuberosity, or we can use the triarticulate cartilage or the teardrop. So let's use the tuberosity, ischial tuberosity in this case. So it is fairly adjusted, fairly horizontal. So if we want, we can rotate the X-ray like this, clicking the tab, or we can do clockwise or counterclockwise rotations if we want to adjust it. So this is, I think, fairly acceptable here. So let's go to ruler. So it is the rulers with the vertical lines are in the increment of 10%. So from white to black it is 10 each of 10, that means 100%. So the left side of ruler is for one side of hip, the right side of ruler is for the other side of hip. So let's calculate the left hip here. So we'll zoom and pan the femoral head to adjust it. The white line should be at the lateral half, the outer margin of the femoral head, and the black line should be at the inner margin. So this gets adjusted. Let's see how it goes, and we can take out the ruler and take it in, so that we can be sure that the margins are correctly taken. Sometimes they are blurry, so they are not easily visible. So we can take out the ruler and put it in. So in this case, the red line is outside the lateral margin of hip, so it is definitely more than 30% limit. So here it is just above 40, so we will take it as 40. So definitely it is more than 30%. So it is crossing the mark, the red flag of 30%. So it should be referred to any orthopedician or the main caretaker of the orthopedic deformities. So we can take at this point a screenshot and keep it in our record in a coded folder. So let's take on the other side how we do it. Yeah, we'll zoom in and we take out the ruler. The other half of the ruler is used, so we can zoom it. Yeah, so we can take out the ruler, we can put it in. I think it is fairly adjusted. So here the red line is within the lateral margin of acetabulum. So this is definitely MP is less than 30%. So we are safe on the this side of hip. So it is coming around 10 to 15% of mark. So migration percentage, I would take 15% here. Some would take it as 10%. But yeah, definitely this is, everybody will agree that this is within the safe limit of 30%. We are well safe of 30%. So that's how we calculate. Thank you so much.